Did you know your browser can be more than just a tool for work and endless Google searches? What if I told you Chrome can become your personal art gallery? Yeah, every time you open a tab, you'll be greeted with breathtaking art that inspires and uplifts. Interested? Let me show you how. First things first, open the Chrome browser. Click three dots on the upper right part. Click Help, then About Google Chrome. This to ensure that your Chrome is updated. Now, once your Chrome is updated, tap Back button, and you will see here Customize Chrome button. Click Customize Chrome here, and from here you can set different theme as background. You can also upload an image here to set as a background. Select your photo, then tap Open. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can turn your Chrome into an artistic and personalized browser. If this video impresses you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.